So these are the Hooligan blue torches. A little bit different than smokes. I'll show you. I put one on the floor here to show you. I like it. You like it? Like a firework. And you'll see it gives a blue torch. Very vivid, very blue, very strong light. It's really bright. So that's a blue torch.